Alright, welcome to part 3 of our website development and design series. Today I want to cover what exactly is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's the code that is used to build a web page on a website. You use what are called tags to wrap your content with. We can go over some quick examples of what I mean. So on here we have a standard HTML page. You can see different tags that I was talking about earlier, and we'll go more into what these are exactly and what different ones do. But for example, we have our text here already. This will display the content in the browser. If you want to open with Live Server, you can see this is that content we just had earlier. Right now though, it's just a plain piece of text. There's nothing special about it. But you can use those tags we were talking about earlier to kind of change how it'll display on the website page. So for example, if we were to wrap this with a heading, and again, don't worry about like how to do that really quickly, but notice how we put a new tag over this text. So now we got H1. Don't forget to save. And then go back to your live server page that you have. Notice how now it is big, it is bolded. That is the effects of the H1 tag. Another example is we can use some paragraphs. And so if I want to type, this is a paragraph. And if you want to wrap this in the paragraph tag, you simply just put the P tag. There we go. You can copy paste this if you want or add more. Don't forget to save. And now when you go back to your website, you have paragraphs. And notice that they're in their own little line on the website page instead of it continuing off of the heading. One myth about HTML is that people may see it as a programming language. However, it is important to know that it is not a programming language, but rather a tool that allows us to structure the content we want to display on a website. Actual programming languages would be JavaScript, C++, Python, and more, which are way more complex than HTML. However, HTML and a programming language can work together to make that web page work. Think of a website like a restaurant, where the servers are the HTML, while the chefs in the back are the programming languages. The servers working the front end, while the chefs work the back end to make the restaurant altogether work. Now that we understand what HTML is, next video we'll go into how to actually create an HTML file. See ya!